Ready to supercharge your Facebook marketing with automated messaging? Let's dive into connecting Wati to Facebook in a few simple steps. First, log into your Wati account. Navigate to the Channels section on the left-hand sidebar. Here, you'll see various messaging channels. Select the Facebook option. Now, you'll be prompted to connect your Facebook account. Click the Connect to Facebook button. This will redirect you to Facebook, where you'll need to log in with your Facebook account. Facebook will ask you to grant Wati certain permissions. Make sure to grant access to the Facebook pages you want to manage through Wati. This allows Wati to access leads generated by your ads and to send messages. Select the specific Facebook pages you want to connect to Wati. Once you've granted permissions and selected your pages, you'll be redirected back to Wati. You should now see your connected Facebook pages listed in the Channels section. And that's it. You've successfully connected Wati to Facebook. Now you can start automating responses, manage leads, and skyrocket your customer engagement, all directly from Wati. Start creating those automations.